Hey guys, welcome back to the channel or welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you some shortcut tricks of VS Code. If you're working on LWC or if you use VS Code for your Salesforce development, then these shortcuts will be really helpful for you. So for that we need to go to VS Code. I have already opened it and yep. So the first shortcut is Control C and Control V. On your keyboard, if you press Control C and Control V, if you just hover over your line, any line, suppose this is the line, I'll hover over to it. So I'll press Control C and Control V. So it will copy the exact same line below it. So this is pretty useful to me. Whenever we want to authorize our Salesforce org with the VS Code, and whenever we want to create an LWC component or a component using VS Code, we go to command palette. So the shortcut for command palette is F1. Directly you can press F1 on your keyboard and the command palette will open for you. And there is another way also. Another way is you can use Control, Shift and P. There's three keys you can use: Control, Shift and P, and the command palette will be there. And if you want to manually open it, then you can go to view and from here click on command palette and the command palette will be visible to you. Then the third shortcut is if you want to quickly open any file, then what you can do is you can go to Control and P. Okay, Control plus P. From here you can search your files. Then the fourth one is if you want to cut any line. Okay, so you can just click on this line. Suppose the fourth line I want to cut and paste somewhere. So Control X, line is not there, and Control V, you know that it pastes. Then we have Control C for copy line. These are like basic ones which everyone knows. Control C and Control V for copy. These are the 5 shortcuts for VS Code. And there will be a next video where I'll show you 5 other shortcuts for VS Code. Till then, subscribe to the channel and keep watching. Thank you.